Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how much does Whop charge to run a community on their platform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, and rather than just showing you how much I pay to run my community on Whop, I'm going to show you how you can find the most recent information, because the pricing could change at any time. But why would you want to know how much it costs to run a community on Whop anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to build a community, and Whop is a popular way to do that, but maybe you want to know what the fees are first. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to find that information. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. But if you want to know what the fees are and the charges are from Whop to run your community, first what you're going to do is down here on the bottom left, you're going to click on this little question mark. Once you do that, go ahead and click on help. Okay, so here is the help page, but here at the top, you're going to see these two options, user and creator. You want to be sure to click on creator. Once you do that, you're going to see this search bar right here and just type in fees. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this article right here. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, so here are the fees for Whop. So they charge a couple of different ways. So for all of the transactions that you process through Whop, even if it's your member or it's sent through your private link, you're going to get charged for a card processing fee, which is pretty standard. And then they also have these other fees that are called invoice fees, tax calculation fee, and withdrawal fees. So if you're in the US and you're running domestic credit cards, it's going to be 2.9% plus 30% per transaction, which is pretty standard. In addition to that, you're going to get a 0.5% invoice fee and a 0.5% tax fee. Also, they have a fraud prevention fee, which is 7 cents per transaction. And then when you go to withdrawal, it's going to be 0.25%. That's if you're in the US. However, if you are operating internationally, the cost does jump up. And since Whop does have a dispute process, they do charge $29 per alert when there is a dispute in progress, and then also a $15 dispute resolution fee. So all of these fees you're going to include, even if it's your customer. Now, Whop does have a marketplace as well, where you can gather other users from their marketplace or from a search feature as well. Now, if you're going to be using the search feature and let's say some stranger finds your Whop community in the search feature and they end up signing up, Whop does charge a 30%. So you can see right here, Whop marketplace sales, 30%. So for example, if you are charging $100 for your community, what's going to happen is you're going to end up charging around 6 or 7% with all of these fees right here. Actually, it would be closer to about 5%. And then if that user ended up coming from the marketplace, you're going to get another 30% on top of that. So it could be around 35, 36%. Now, if the customer is yours, you send them a link, they sign up directly through your link, it's not found through the marketplace, then it would be around 5%. So if it's a $100 product, you're going to get charged about $5. If it's a customer from Whop, then you're going to end up paying around $35 for that $100 transaction. So again, these fees could change at any time, especially since Whop is a growing company. So rather than just taking my word for it or going off of this video, be sure to go through that process I told you, and that way you can see the most recent charges and fees to run a community on Whop. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the fees and costs are to run a community on Whop, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.